So this is what we call it as C++ exceptions. That day we started and we could not able to do that, right? Just I will revise this. When normally when executing C++ codings, what will happen? When executing C++ code, we will get error, right? So we will get some different errors can occur. Different errors can occur. So that can be called as a error handling can occur. So coding errors can occur. Coding errors may be made by the programmers, correct? Made by the programmers. Okay. So programmers can use that. So error due to the wrong input. How the error will come? Error due to the wrong input. So wrong input, and so this can be due to the wrong input or any sudden occurrence. So we do syntax error or compiled error or error, all this. Normally when an error occurs, what happens is, when an error occurs, C++ will normally what it will do is, will normally stop and generate an error message, correct? Stop and generate an error message. Will stop and generate an error message. So this is called as the throw and exception. This is technically called as throw and exception method. Called as throw and catch, throw and exception. Okay, this is called as a throw and exception. So C++ automatically what it will do, it will throw an exception message, like the error may happen. If the condition is wrong, there will occur an error like that. It throws an exception. Okay, so it can be avoided. Okay, the throw errors can be handled. Okay, errors can be handled through a common way, which is called as a, what is that? Through a common way called as, can you able to see? Throw.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, throw and try and catch. Okay, try and catch method. Okay, so this up to this I think we come across on the day, correct? Try and catch method. So how it will work is, try, okay, then throw, then catch. Okay, so this try statement, what is a try statement? Try statement is nothing but try statement allows you to define a block, allows you to define a block of code, okay, of code, to be tested for errors, if there any error occurs in the program or not, okay, while it is being executed. So this try method will try if there is any error or not. That will be checked over in the try method. When it is executing, when the program is executed, the try method will check this condition. Okay, fine. After this, if suppose the error is there, what will happen? Then it goes to the throw method. So the throw keyword, so the throw is a keyword. It throws an exception. Okay, when a problem is detected. Okay, which lets us create a custom error. So if there is any custom error that can be identified, it will create so the problem can be easily detected by the compiler of the C++, and it creates an exception. So after that it goes to the catch method. So catch method, what it will do is, this is a statement, okay, that allows, okay, this is a statement that allows to define a block, okay, define a block of code to be executed, if an error occurs in the try block. if an error occurs in the try block. This is what the
And
try, yes ma'am. Try and catch method is, try is used to define a block of code. If it, while executing, it is used to find out the error. If there is no error, no problem. If there is an error occurs, what will happen? And the throw method will detect the error, and the catch method will define the block of code to be executed, what it has to be done, how it has to be corrected, like that it will give. Yes, this is what try catch block. So the syntax is try. So we will be having a block of code here. So in the try method we write some block of code. Then after that inside this only we throw the exception. In the try method only we throw the exception. So whatever exception we have to throw, that will be, whatever error is there, that will be thrown. Exception means in this case it's nothing but the error. Okay, and then we go to the catch block. So inside the catch block we rectify, we define the problem and we rectify the column. So here also we will be having a block of code. Clear, right? Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now what we do now, we take one example.
And should I take screenshots or not?
No, actually what I am doing is, I told you, right, I am recording the screen. In between you are talking. I am recording the screen. Okay, we'll see if it works. You take the screenshot if you want. If suppose the recording is not coming, you can take the screenshot. You have taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will see here. Actually I downloaded this Visual C++ also. So hash include so IOStream, okay, using namespace std, correct. Okay, after that what we can do is int main of, we take one example here, int main of, so inside this what we are doing here, we are going to give try. Okay, so try. So first try will come. Inside this we are taking a variable int age is equal to 15. Okay, int age is equal to 15. If age greater than equal to 18, okay, you are eligible for something. Okay, otherwise you are not eligible for some purpose. Okay, so what we have to do is, if age greater than 18 means cout access granted. Okay, access granted, you are eligible, you are old enough, like that some message I am giving. Okay, suppose you are going to open a bank account, or you are going for voting, or you are going for any other purposes. Okay, after 18 only you are eligible. So that is the throw. Suppose your age is not equal to 18, that is a error. Okay, so we are writing that in the try method. Okay, else whatever and all we want to write it in the try method, we can write it. Okay, else part, else what we can do is, we can write it here in the else part also. We can write it here, throw age. Okay, in the else part we can write it here as throw of age. So if the error occurs, what will happen? It will throw the error. Okay, then I am closing this try block. So okay, after this we go to the catch block. So catch block always will have a return type and the variable name. So I write it here as int my number. Why I am taking this as my int my number means, because I have taken my input is age. Okay, that is an integer variable. So I am taking here. So here what I am telling is, if the age is not satisfying the condition, what is the error, and what is the message has to be told to the people. So access denied, you are not you must be at least 18 years old. This is, you can able to clear understand, right? You must be at least 18 years old. So this is like this, we can have n number of options. Okay, we can create an error and we can we can try the error. If the error is there or not, we can use it. And what we can do, we can rectify the error. Okay, so age is colon, so what we can say is, we want to, what is actually exact error, age only, correct? So that we are throwing here. So my number, can you able to understand the program? Are you able to follow the program?
Yes, ma'am.
Try, we are using the try method. The try method is used to analyze whether there is an error or not. So if there is an error, it will go to the throw the error. Okay, if there is an error, it will throw the error. If there is no error, it will directly go for execution. If there is an error, if finds the error, then it comes to the catch method. It describes what has to be defined, why it is having an error. Okay, why it is having an error, how to be rectified, like that it goes. Okay, so I think, I hope there is no error in the program. So automatically, if you want, we can save it once again as age1.cpp. Okay, age1.cpp. I have created a folder. In that folder, I am creating. Then what I have to do is I can go for run code. Okay, I hope I have. Sorry, here I think that catch option will come. Okay, this is an error. So now if I want, I can save it once again. Save the program. Then again what I do, no, I run it over run code. Okay. What happened here? Running. See, can you see? Access denied. You must be at least 18 years old. Okay, age is 15. So this is what error occurs. The error has been found out by the C++ exception handling, and it throws the error. What is actually the error? Age. Age is 15. You are not supposed to access the data. So that is the message the compiler is giving to you. So that has been given in the catch block. Clear, Ronak? This is, can you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once again I'll just stop this recording.